Peppol is changing the e-invoicing landscape. Let's get into it and find out what that means for you. Peppol is a secure international framework that allows you to issue and receive electronic business documents such as e-invoices. It's a network that connects various platforms existing from businesses everywhere around the world, as well as public administrations around the world. Imagine that your invoice is like a car, sitting in traffic, avoiding obstacles, refueling. That's like manual intervention. Whereas with Peppol, it's just beams from issuer to receiver with no intervention, no obstacles, seamless and instantaneous. The Peppol network is actually highly customizable. So why are businesses and governments choosing Peppol? Well, it's because it offers them a means of exchanging their business documents in a standardized, secure, and efficient way electronically. In other words, it's interoperable. This supports the Peppol mission of delivering transparent and effective public servicing. This reduces costs as well and facilitates, or rather brings about better international collaboration between market participants, public administrations, and service providers. So, how do you start using Peppol? Initially, you'll have to acquire a certified service provider. A certified service provider will allow you to connect to the network and start issuing and receiving electronic documents. However, not all service providers are created equal. Some service providers operate in very specific jurisdictions, while others, such as Pagero, are allowed to operate in all Peppol jurisdictions on a global scale. To receive e-invoices and other electronic documents via the network, you'll need something referred to as a Peppol ID. No worries, your certified service provider should have you covered. After that, you're now up and running on the Peppol network. It's also good to get familiar with a few terms, such as Open Peppol, which is the nonprofit organization responsible for the Peppol network itself. Thus, Peppol is the network or infrastructure that encompasses a set of standards that allows for the issuance and reception of electronic documents, such as e-invoices. And then there's Peppol BIS, which is the default format in which all documents that are exchanged via the network must be in. Service providers should be equipped to handle Peppol BIS and make sure that your documents, whether they're being issued or received via the network, are compliant. Once you're in Peppol, you can also quite easily find the capabilities of your issuers and receivers via the Peppol directory. Think of it as a virtual yellow pages that allows you to see what people's capabilities are, if they can issue, receive, or both, as well as see the service provider that represents them. So Peppol thrives on collaboration. Service providers such as Pagero ensure Peppol's effectiveness and compliance now and in the future. That's just one less thing that businesses will have to worry about. For these reasons and more, Peppol and Pagero simplify your e-document exchange, making your business communications faster, more cost-efficient, and secure. So, are you ready to connect with Peppol? Start streamlining your global business communications today.